At exactly 2:47 a.m., I earned $9.67. I was asleep. But an AI tool I set up days earlier kept working. Most people still don't know this exists, but you will. In this video, I'll walk you through a full beginner strategy to make your first $200 per day with AI automation, without a job, a camera, or even a voice. We're going to combine 3 tools: ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Pictory.ai. Step 1, choose a niche. Pick one people search for daily. AI tools, productivity, digital side hustles, how-to, tutorials. High demand equals high views. Step 2, generate your script. Head to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Write a 7-minute YouTube script on niche topic for beginners. Make it engaging and informative. Done. Step 3, create voiceover. Upload that script to ElevenLabs. Choose a natural voice. Set the speed slightly lower than default. Download it. Step 4, turn script into a video. Go to Pictory. Paste your script or upload your voiceover. The AI will handle visuals, captions, transitions, and timing. Step 5, monetize with affiliate links. In your video description, link to the tools you use. Each time someone signs up, you earn. Bonus hack, use shorts for traffic. Post a YouTube short showing your process. Say, this 1-minute video took 5 minutes to make, and it might earn me $100. Final tip, treat this like a system. Post 2 videos a week. Don't get emotional about views. Get obsessed with process. 10 videos in, tweak based on results. It builds. Still think it's too late to make money with AI? It's not. You're early. Like, comment I'm in and subscribe. Next week, I'll show you the exact channel I'd build from scratch. No face, no voice, just smart AI.